Good afternoon. This is Monday, August 1st, daily wrap-up from PTI Securities. Overnight, markets rallied. The Asian markets and the European markets were both up. We opened up relatively high at one point. We were up 16 in the S&P, due primarily to the debt ceiling deal over the weekend. Right after the opening, though, we started to fall. We were only up 11 to 12 when the ISM number came out. The ISM number was a significant disappointment. It came in at 50.9. That's versus 55, over 55 last month. This kind of reinforced the fact that the GDP number of last Friday is probably not a fluke. The economy is slowing down, and immediately the market sold off, and we were negative for a few minutes after the ISM number. The problem was that we went down a little bit even further than that. We rallied a little bit the last 3 or 4 hours. The earnings news today was actually a little bit better. Allstate came in, even though it was a loss, first loss in several quarters, it came a little better than expected. Same thing with Humana, also a little bit better than expected. But at the end of the day, the S&P clawed its way back to close down only 5 at 1286. It is the 6th down day in a row, though. The Dow closed at 12,132, down 10. The NASDAQ closed down 11. The 10-year note continued to gain ground. The yield on the 10-year note is now down to 2.74, so we're below 2 3/4 on the 10-year note. People are continuing in both in the morning when we were selling off and also in the afternoon. They continue to buy bonds. Coming up tomorrow, we got personal income, personal spending. We also have auto sales. So the auto sales will be a little bit more important because obviously if we're slowing down, we might be able to see that in the auto numbers tomorrow. This has been Dan Howe from PTI Securities and Futures.